everyone. Well, it's a cold and frosty start, so it is cold out here in the garden, but at least it's not raining, so that's a good plus point. Now next week I've got a free week, and the idea was to go house hunting, but I've now got this tooth infection which has gone down a lot, because when I woke up a few days ago my face was like a hamster. so that was more than a pain. But I've got dentist on Monday, and then obviously I'm not going to feel up to driving up to Yorkshire, so that was my one free week, so that's not happening now. So the house move is going to be delayed even further because we haven't even found a house yet. so that's why I haven't been planting a lot of seeds, getting ready for like the next growing season, because obviously I don't want to transport a lot of little seedlings with me. So what I'm going to do is dismantle the greenhouses once the weather warms up and the frosty days go, and then I should be ready, and hopefully in another month or so we might be able to start going up and having a look again, restart. So anyway, that's why I haven't been doing a lot, plus the rain in the garden, there's not a lot to do outside. So anyway, that's enough of that. I'm going to show you now how the spring bulbs are getting on. Now these are my pots of bulbs. Last year I grew these in the bulb lasagnas, but this year I've just done single layers, so I've got a few extra pots here. But I've got a mixture of daffodils, tulips, hyacinths, crocuses and bluebells. Now the plants are coming up nicely, and I've also got some little buds coming, which is good. Yeah, there's another one at the back there, just beginning to show through. Now in this greenhouse here, these are a lot of the pots from the patio, but I'm leaving them under fleece at the moment because we've still got a couple of days of ice and snow that's forecast. So hopefully they're alright under there, but I'm not going to uncover them yet. But I will show you in these boxes. Now this one, these are mostly fuchsia and geranium cuttings, and hopefully they'll be doing alright, because I've got some fleece over the top and then the top of the box to hold it down. And around this side I've got this other box, just show you in there. Now these are seeds that I planted in the autumn, and they all seem to be doing quite well. Sweet peas and a few other plants, lupins, larkspur, cornflowers and some salad leaves. So they're all okay. So I'll keep those covered up for the moment. And as well in here, now this pot here is my Venus flytrap. Now it's been in here resting because after they get mature they do need a winter rest, and this is about 5 years old now. Now I have a book on carnivorous plants, and it tells you to put the pot out in the cold on Christmas Day and bring it in on Valentine's Day. So today is the 14th of February, so I'm going to take it back in and it'll go back in the kitchen on the windowsill. So not much else happening out here at the moment apart from cold. And I'll say bye for now, see you soon, and thanks for watching.